sababu ukikula hiyo utasikia mahewa mpaka utafute mzee yuko wapi.
I've missed all of the stuff you've done. Okay, so what have you done so far?
Now I put the spices now.
So in here is ginger and garlic and butter. Oh, and the coconut is burning, for flavor. Ama?
Yeah.
Oh, yummy. Yummy. This is so yummy. I am loving this. Oh my God. It smells so good.
Yeah.
I tasted the coconut rice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh, it's so yummy. It's so yummy. Oh my God. It is so yummy. So these things here, these are palm branches that they've cut up and then, they've put on the grill. Now all I need is just a lovely cocktail and we're set. How long have you been doing this for?
Like 10 years.
10 years?
Yeah.
Wow. Do you guys have local punch? Mkona local punch? The local one? Munaka nini na nini ndani?
Hayeki kitu natural. Hayeki kitu ile palm wine.
Nasema alcohol.
Si ndio hiyo?
Oh, really?
Hiyo ndio tunatumia mnazi.
Hata nguvu ya nini?
Kula hii. Sio upate.
Nguvu ya me and you on the same page.
Yeah.
Oh my God. For men or for women?
Even men.
Mostly women, eh?
Yeah. Woman. Men, yeah. The same. Yeah.
How do you know that?
Sasa hii kitunguu niwa naikatakata, alafu nachukua chumvi, naosha nayo, naeka maji, naosha nayo, ili isiwe na ile moshi, ile ukali inatoka, yani inakuwa iko sawa. Yani niwa natengeneza tofauti na vile watu wanatengeneza yani. Alafu nakata hiyo kachumbari, nakata tomato, alafu naeka na hiyo pilipili hoho. Alafu nasafu na hiyo mchele wa nazi. Kitaka sima, kitaka toast bread, kitaka viazi ya kuchoma. Chakula cha coast yani. Unapata nguvu ya mwili kabisa yani. Kuna octopus pia. Lakini octopus hiyo ni hatari sana hiyo. Kwa sababu ukikula hiyo utasikia mahewa mpaka utafute mzee yuko wapi. Mzee ameenda wapi? Utasikia mahewa ya kutaka mzee. Mahewa. Na prawns pia unajisikia yani, unasikia nyege yani, unasikia yani uko poa yani. Karibuni sana, mnakaribishwa Mombasa. Mombasa raha. Kuingia ni rahisi, kutoka ni balaa.
For 150.
You know, this wine, you get hungry. It give you appetite. Yeah, very nice.
Okay.
Let me finish and then I go to show you.
Okay. And it's delicious?
I know.
It's not nice?
It's nice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's nice. Oh no. Me, I like them. The wine I like.
Okay.
I like.
So yummy.
Sina. Nini?
local punch, or what they call is coconut wine. It's just Vicky to find where the local punch is. Let me tell you now, the only other thing that would complete this trip, 2 more things. One that starts with number 4, and you know what? You guys, look who I've bumped into. Evu, shake it, What are your names?
I'm Mia. Mia Wamoyo. I'm Rispa.
Rispa, okay.
Yeah, I'm Sis.
Hey, nice to meet you guys.
Thank you.
We're gonna go get some coconut wine, have that, and then apparently it makes you really hungry. And I'm already hungry, so I'm like, I should probably eat fast. And then after, we'll probably do a swim in the ocean, because right now the water is like really out, so there's no point swimming in there right now. Take a look at the delicious food. Salad. Look at that, guys. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Well, apparently this makes me horny. So I will tell you in about half an hour if I'm horny after eating prawns. That garlic, that butter, hints of ginger. Look at that. Sorry, I know I'm eating like really noisily. Okay, that was delicious. Now, let's go get that drink. One myth I need to bust. At Mombasa, people are slow. They are not slow, they are fast. Oh my God. Yani they walk so fast, the matatus are fast, kila kitu is fast. This thing over there, they are slow, hakuna imeisha hiyo. This hotel called Neptune had closed down during the times of Corona, because there was literally no business.
No business.
No business at all. Hey. So, Mr. Joseph.
Yes, madam.
Where are we going?
Now we're going to local restaurant to drink palm wine, natural, no chemical.
No chemicals. Do you hear that? Natural palm wine.
You get hungry.
You get hungry? Wanaitengeneza huko? Ama
ni bar.
Oh, ni bar. Okay.
Bar, yani ukitaka vikali. Yani ukitaka.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Ukitaka hiyo palm wine.
Iko.
Ni bia. Iko hapo ya.
Okay, sawa. That's Nyali Town. Ni kama mtu anafanya parachuting ama hiyo ni nini?
It takes long.
It takes long.
Yeah.
Oh. How? But is this one bitter?
No, it's not that bitter.
It's not that bitter?
Yeah.
Okay, so we taste.
Yeah, taste.
Yeah.
Lete moja kilalo.
Mbili, si?
Mbili.
Yeah.
Okay.
Moja ni pesa ngapi?
It's 200.
It's 200.
That's 750 ml.
Oh, it's a 750. Yes, tunaweza share.
Ndio nasema tupigie moja.
Okay, leta moja kwanza.
Leta moja tu Mombasa.
Okay, so we're gonna have Kilalo because Kilalo is the one where you it was made the night before.
Yeah.
They don't have the fresh one. So the one for the night before, it's gonna be a little bit more bitter apparently, and you get happier quicker. While with the fresh one, it's sweeter, but it takes longer for you to get, you know.
Yeah, it's true.
So let's see. They only have the one for yesterday, Kilalo. So let's taste Kilalo and let's see how we like it.
Yeah.
Kilalo. Wow, okay. So a whole bottle like that is 200 shillings.
Yeah.
Okay. So can I go ahead and taste?
Yeah, you can go ahead and taste.
Cheers.
Cheers. Alafu tunafanya hivi, tunapatia wale wazee ambao walienda zamani, mababu zetu, tunamwaga chini kidogo na blessing. Thank you.
Okay, my turn. Let me see how this tastes. Oh. So you know what I'm tasting? I don't even know how to describe it.
Kuna kama
nataka kujua kama ina taste kama nini.
Ndio ukiangalia na kama ina taste kama nini.
It's good. It's actually really good.
Yeah,
it's
really,
really,
natural,
really
natural, no chemical. Yeah, no chemical.
Taste of? I don't know. Just fermented, I guess fermented.
Yeah, it has fermented.
Fermented.
Because the fresh one, even if you look at it in the bottle, still boiling.
It's still boiling,
Yeah,
yeah. And you can taste like
and
the
after
carbon.
fermentation, when it becomes a little bitter.
Bitter.
Because the sweetness goes over to the fermentation.
I like it.
Yes, somebody
natural from the palm.
Palm.
Direct from the palm. No one
Direct from the palm.
Yeah. Just natural. Like the flower of the palm tree.
The flower of the palm tree. You
You
cut it.
at the center. Then you have to take the container. You wrap it. It's at the edge of the where you've cut. Then you wrap it. After a while, like they do it in the morning.
There's a yeah, I saw it. I know I was feeling.
They do it in the morning. They wrap it. In the evening, they go take the alcohol because like it taps slowly by slowly, draining.
Draining, huh?
Yeah, it's like a fruit. The way the fruit is, how do I describe it? The way it's dehydrated.
Dehydrated, yeah.
So this dehydration, the liquid comes to the container.
It's very good.
And when you take them from the trees, it's very sweet because it has not yet fermented. The yeast is
still doing its thing.
Then after some days, you know when it reaches tomorrow, it becomes more bitter because the fermentation still goes on.
Next time. Back from the place. That was so amazing. I'll tell you more about it later. And yes, I'm a little bit happy. Yep, I only had like 2 glasses and yeah. But yes, that was so much fun. I'll tell you more about it later because I want to go swimming. It's like about 6 p.m. right now. So I really want to catch those waves. I haven't swum since I came. Just come back from an evening swim. The moon was out. Oh my god. What? That was so amazing. Like, I've just had the most amazing day. Like, to me, today was so fulfilling. One thing that really filled my heart was, when we went to drink the the coconut wine, or they call it, I've forgotten the name already. Is it Kilolo? Kilono? I've forgotten the name, but it's like, so it was me and Joseph, and then we were just talking about stuff and business and everything. And then all of a sudden, someone else joins. He has his story to tell. And someone else joins and he has his story to tell. And for me, like, my Swahili is so bad. But weirdly enough, I was able to understand and pick, and I love the Mombasa Swahili even way more than our like Nairobi Swahili. I do not like our Nairobi Swahili. For me, that is just real stuff, like getting with people who live here and just seeing things through, the eyes of a local, as opposed to always being like in a hotel joint with, all the foreigners or all the guests of the hotel. Sometimes it's just really nice to get lost in just the real culture, So I can't thank Joseph enough. If you ever come to Shanzu, this is the Shanzu area. Joseph always hangs out on the beach, kind of like near the Cowrie Shell's apartment. That's the best place to find Joseph, okay? Or you can always just ask around. Joseph ni wapi? Joseph Narasta. Just ask for Joseph Narasta. Yeah, so I am going to take off this makeup. It kind of lasted, actually, yeah. I'm going to take it off, and then I'm going to get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow is an event, so I'm not going to shoot tomorrow because me and my friend are going to be working an event. More so her than I, but yeah. But then Friday, I hope to catch up with you guys. Yeah, see you soon. Good night. Hi, this is either day 4 or 5 in Mombasa, and we're having a blast. So since we are all done with work, we're gonna go out and hang out with friends and get our groove on. See you later. In case we go somewhere